Stop scrolling for a second because I am about to tell you something that most financial gurus get completely wrong. They tell you that you need a six-figure salary to build a safety net, or that you need to invest in complex stocks to see real progress. But the truth is that when you are living on a low income, the fastest way to save money isn't through some magic investment. It is through aggressive, intentional defense. If you feel like your bank account is a bucket with a hole in the bottom, today we're going to plug those leaks and start building your freedom $1 at a time. This is how you save money fast, even when you think you have nothing left to give. The biggest lie we are told is that small amounts don't matter. You hear people say, "What is $5 going to do?" Or "Why bother saving $10 a week?" That mindset is exactly what keeps people stuck in the cycle of poverty. On a low income, your greatest weapon is not the size of your shovel, but the efficiency of your system. You have to start by becoming a detective of your own life. Most people are losing hundreds of dollars every single month to what I call the ghost in the machine. These are the automatic subscriptions you forgot about, the premium apps you don't use, and the convenience fees you pay because you didn't plan ahead. If you want to save money fast, your first mission is to go through your last 30 days of bank statements with a red pen. If it didn't keep you alive or keep you employed, it is on the chopping block. Now let's talk about the psychological shift you need to make. When money is tight, you have to treat your savings like a predator is chasing you. You cannot afford to be casual. This means adopting the zero-based budget. Most people wait until the end of the month to see what is left over to save. On a low income, the answer to what is left over is almost always zero. You have to reverse the flow. You tell every single cent where to go before the month even begins. This is about taking back control. If you get paid $500, you assign all $500 to specific categories. When you give your money a job, it stops wandering off into the pockets of corporations. One of the fastest ways to see a massive jump in your savings is to tackle the big three: housing, transportation, and food. Since you probably can't move houses or trade in a car overnight, we focus on the one we can control immediately, which is food. The average person spends an astronomical amount of money on convenience. If you are buying lunch at work or grabbing a coffee on the go, you're essentially paying a 300% markup for someone else's labor. You have to become a master of the basics. Rice, beans, frozen vegetables, and bulk protein are the foundation of a low-income empire. It isn't glamorous and it isn't what you see on social media, but it is how you buy your way out of the struggle. Every time you pack a lunch instead of buying one, you are putting $5 to $10 directly back into your pocket. Do that for a month and you've just saved $300. That is a car repair fund. That is an emergency buffer. That is peace of mind. Another secret to saving fast is the power of the friction. We live in a world designed to make spending effortless. With one-click ordering and digital wallets, your money disappears before your brain even registers the loss. You need to reinstall the friction. Delete your credit card information from your browser and your favorite shopping apps. If you have to get up, find your wallet, and type in 16 digits every time you want to buy something, you will find that half of your impulses die before you finish the task. Even better, move to a cash-only system for your variable spending, like groceries and gas. There's a physical pain associated with handing over a $20 bill that you just don't feel when you tap a phone. That pain is your best friend. It is your survival instinct telling you to protect your resources. You also need to look at your environment. We are constantly being marketed to, told that we need the latest gadget or the trendiest clothes to be worthy. But you have to realize that companies spend billions of dollars trying to convince you that you are incomplete so that you will buy their products. Break the cycle by practicing the 30-day rule. If you see something you want, write it down on a piece of paper and put it on your fridge. If you still want it 30 days from now and you have the cash, then you can talk about it. Usually, the dopamine hit wears off in 48 hours, and you'll realize you didn't actually want the item, you just wanted the feeling of buying something. Let's address the bill situation. Many people assume their bills are static, but everything is negotiable. If you have been with a phone provider or internet company for a year, call them, tell them you're looking to cut costs, and ask if there are any promotional rates or loyalty discounts available. Most of the time, they would rather give you a $20 a month discount than lose you as a customer. That is $240 a year saved just from making a 10-minute phone call. These are the wins that stack up. These are the moves that create a margin where there was once only stress. The final and most important step is to automate your protection. As soon as your paycheck hits, have a small amount, even if it's only $10, automatically transferred to a separate savings account at a different bank. If you never see the money in your main checking account, you won't miss it. It becomes an invisible tax that builds your future. Over time, that $10 becomes $20, then $50, and suddenly you have $1,000 tucked away. That $1,000 is the difference between an unexpected flat tire being a minor inconvenience or a total financial catastrophe. You are not just saving money, you are buying an insurance policy against the chaos of life. You have the power to change your trajectory starting right now. It doesn't matter how little you make. What matters is how much you keep. Stop comparing your journey to people who started at a different finish line and focus on beating your own record from last month. Every dollar you save is a brick in the wall that will eventually protect you from ever having to worry about money again. You are stronger than your circumstances, and you are smarter than the marketing. It is time to take your power back and build the life you deserve. If you found this helpful and you want more raw, honest strategies on how to master your money and thrive regardless of your income level, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our community of people who are taking control of their financial destiny. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's get to work on your future together.